Welcome back to another highly professional, high quality video with Matthew. This is English Conversation 616 for humans who talk to humans. And we're on chapter 3 now. So this is Meme Talk 101. Meme's not particularly my strong suit, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. I've improved the lighting, so hopefully you can see this a lot more clearly as we move forward. In this chapter, we're going to take a look at memes and what they are. We're going to discuss viral trends and some internet slang. Now, slang, you'll know as small community or small group language that means something to a group, but not necessarily to people outside of that community. So it's a kind of secret language to some extent. The objective of this chapter is to learn how to react and express feelings naturally using popular internet-style phrases, memes, and casual expressions. You're not supposed to memorize or learn everything. Just take on board what you're comfortable with. We have 3 warm-up questions. What's your favorite meme at the moment? How often do you share memes with your friends? And have you ever created your own meme or funny post? Now, perhaps you're not interested in memes, and that's not a problem. So we can change meme or funny post to be anything that you want to share with your friends online. So what's your favorite meme at the moment? Perhaps you don't want to talk about memes, or what's your favorite drama? What's your favorite book? Or what's your favorite cuisine or meal? So for various topics, we can change this sentence. We can use the structure to ask lots of different questions. To answer this question, we'll use some of the words inside. So, my favorite meme at the moment. At the moment can also be used like these days, right? These days. So we'll answer down here. My favorite something at the moment is all right, so that's the structure we need to answer this question. How often do you share memes with your friends? Again, we'll use the same structure for the question, we'll just change it to something else. How often do you share stories with your friends? How often do you share memories? Okay. How often do you share, we might say, snacks? So again, the same structure is a you question. How often do you? We need a frequency marker here. So I share something. And here we're going to have lots of options. So we need a way to describe how often something happens. So we'll start very basically at every day. Right? So then we can use every, we make it a larger time, week, month, right? So I share memes every month, every day. And after that would be with my friends, right? So with my friends. So I'm going to use the bottom of the page to show you 2 different ways to structure the sentence, right? So I share memes with my friends every day. So we've got two elements or two parts of this that are interchangeable. So what that means is we can change the position of these and it doesn't lose any meaning, doesn't really change of the emphasis. So I share memes every day with my friends. Right? So I share memes every day with my friends. Okay, so again, flexibility in how you communicate is important because you don't want to use the same sentence every time. So mix and match as long as it makes sense. And you can use the way you talk, your tone or intonation to emphasize something. I share memes with my friends every day. I share memes with my friends every day. They have different meanings. Third question, have you ever created your own meme or funny post? So this is a have you ever question. These are quite common. Have you ever? They're experience-based questions. You could answer very simply, positively, yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. No, I have not. I'll write that full for you. Now I haven't done a full stop here because this is a very short answer, or shortest would be yes or no. Yes, I have. No, I have not. You really want to improve your sentences by including more information in the answer. The goal should be to read the answer, and doing so you'd be able to guess the question. So for example, if you cover the question, yes, I have, we don't know what the answer is, or we don't know what the question is, because it could be anything. Have you ever played football? Yes, I have. So our answer should reflect a specific question. We should be able to guess the question based on the answer. So how do we do that? Well, yes, I have created my own meme. No, I have not created my own meme. You can also say all funny post, doesn't matter. But that's how, see if we cover the question, and if we read this, yes, I have created my own meme, we can, for 99% correctly guess that the question is, have you ever created your own meme? All right. Another way to say no, so another way to have a negative response here is to say no, I have never, because have you ever? No, I've, instead of have, I've, the contraction. No, I've never created my own funny post. Never created my own something. So you could ask a different question. Have you ever created your own YouTube channel? Have you ever created your own podcast? No, I've never created my own podcast. There we go. Well done. Thank you very much. If you've got a question or a sentence to practice, comment below and I'll edit it and help you out. Thank you very much.